Hello everyone, PB here. Now the audio is gonna be low like this, cause I was in public in this video, and I don't want you guys to and I did it with this voice because I didn't want to get kicked out of the store because it was a very quiet store, and also I didn't want to show my geekiness. Now, to the public, now I'll show my geekiness to you guys, but not to not to randoms, not to people outside of the internet. Like my friends, I show my geekiness to, because they're geeks. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Hello everyone, PB here, and welcome to a public Steam Sage pack opening. I got 2 Steam Sage packs here. It's my first Steam Sage pack that I'm opening right now. I don't know. I'm opening it right now. I think it's carnivore. Or I don't know. I'm opening right now. Look at the carnivore art. Alright. There's a code card if you want it. 1, 2, 3 from the back. Alright. Persian. Rapidash. Ninja Boy. Oshawott. Morale. Ponyta. Litwick. Joltik. Fungus. Reverse. Rare. And a regular rare Spirit Bomb. Reverse Fungus. Alright. First pack wasn't so good. But still, first pack of Steam Sage I've ever opened. You don't really get good stuff in the first pack. Well, nothing did, but I don't know why I'm doing a public opening. Oh look! Here's the Universal blister. There was a volcano pack. Look at that art on the back. Ah, yes, Chalice. Alright. There's the code card if you guys want it. Hopefully get something out of our second pack. Do you want? Oh, Carnivore Spirit Link. Kofinki. Shells. Lanky. Ah, dang it, Fungus. A Rose Rafflet. And a regular rare Rebile. So, my first and second pack weren't very good, but not only my first and second pack, I will open more. PB out. Oh, if you guys enjoyed, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Comment down below what your favorite Pokemon set is. I'm going to say mine is the probably Breakpoint. I really enjoyed Breakpoint. Not so fit God. But anyways, PB out.